Hello, welcome to another crochet lesson. Today we're going to be doing triple/treble crochet. Reminder that this is in US terms, so if you're in the UK, it's going to be a little different. So what I've done is I've done a chain and then I made 5 single crochet stitches and I chained 4 and I turned my work. For triples, they're really tall, so you're going to probably have to do a larger amount of chains, like 3 or 4, even 5 if you're a really tight crocheter. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna yarn over twice, so you have 3 loops on there, go into the stitch, yarn over, pull through. Now you have 4 loops on your hook, so you're gonna yarn over and go through 2 stitches 3 times. So yarn over, go through 2, yarn over, go through 2, yarn over, go through 2. So that's 1 treble crochet stitch. So we're going to do that again. Yarn over, into the next stitch you go, yarn over through 2, yarn over through 2, yarn over through 2. There's your next one. Do that again. Zoop. Yarn over through 2, yarn over through 2, yarn over through 2. I'm going to do that again. Yarn over through 2, yarn over through 2, yarn over through 2. Last one. I'm gonna go in, yarn over, pull through, yarn over through 2, yarn over through 2, yarn over through 2. So as you can see, those are really, really tall stitches and they leave lots of gaps. So good for a lightweight something or like a beach cover that you don't mind a lot of holes in. And that is how you do triple crochet stitch. Stick around next time for another lesson.